Hey guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, and this is getting closer to the end of my World Cup flag series. So if you guys enjoy that series, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I swear there'll be cosplays eventually. So I'm going to start off by applying a primer. I know I haven't done this in a while. Lately I've been liking no primers, but I got this one from Makeup Forever and gratis, and I actually like it. It gives a nice stick to whatever you're putting on. And then I'm going to apply a white base just in the center part. We're going to do a halo eye, kind of like what we did for the Peruvian flag video, and I'll have that linked above for anybody who's interested. But just make sure to really blend it out. You don't want any like chunky spots or anything. You just want a nice smooth area. Then I'm going to set that with some white eyeshadow. This will also make the white eyeshadow pop just that much more. So if you ever want to make your eyeshadows pop, make the colors a lot more vibrant, apply a white base under it and you'll be fine. Then we're going to take some red eyeshadow, and I'm applying this to the outer and inner corners. I'm also going to work around the white. Just try not to like completely get rid of it. You still want it to be there, but you know, you want to connect the red on both sides. I also winged it out just a little bit, nothing too crazy. And if you blend it into the white a little bit too much, that's okay, because we can always adjust. With the inner corner, just make sure that you don't put it in a little too crazy, because then it looks kind of weird, like an eye infection. So try to keep it a little more contained on the inner corner, and the outer corner you can blow it out as much as you want. Once you're done with that, like I said before, I just went in with some more of that white eyeshadow and just really made sure that that inner part stood out just a little bit more. Now for the lower lash line, I had to keep checking in the mirror to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. But I'm going to apply some red eyeshadow to the lower lash line, and I kind of blew it out a little bit, but nothing too crazy, because like I said, it can kind of look like you're crying if you pull it out too far. Now for the star, I just drew one of those stars that you learn how to draw when you're in like first grade or something. Keep in mind though that you want to check in the mirror and see where the star should be when your eye is open, if you want it to be seen when your eye is open. Mine was a little bit too high up for my lid space, so I was kind of freaking out some of my coworkers yesterday. It was great. I didn't have the lid space though to draw the crescent moon, so if you want to, I would draw the star a little bit smaller, or if you have more lid space, then I'm jealous. Then I went in with some gold eyeliner. I didn't have any technically gold eyeliner, so I went in with some eyeshadow in a mixing medium, and I basically just DIY'd my own eyeliner. But if you're ever in a pinch and need an eyeliner of a different color and you don't want to go out and buy one, if you have a mixing medium, you can literally make eyeliner out of whatever eyeshadow you have. Then I'm going to go in with some false lashes. These are a little more on the natural side, but if you guys want a full video on how to apply lashes, I have that linked in the cards up above. And I'm going to apply mascara afterwards. If you want to know why, there is that video. But today's video is sponsored by me. I have a merch store if you guys want to get some cool t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, all kinds of things like that. It's at Teespring. The link will be in the description down below. I don't know, I'm in a weird mood today. But to finish off this look, I'm going to apply a nude colored lip gloss thing. It's one of the matte shakers from Lancome. I actually love them a lot. I think I'm going to get some more. But I'll have all the products I use listed in the description as well. But that's the video. So I hope you guys liked it. I definitely did. This World Cup series has been interesting. But don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see after this series is done. Got a few more to go, but we're getting there. See you guys next time. Bye.